Hello students, in this video I'm going to explain this option, the statistics option. So let me highlight this, which is already highlighted. So execute. You can see list 1, list 2, list 3, list 4 given here. Okay, now let us look at this problem. Find the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, lower quartile, upper quartile of the following data. You can see there are 20 numbers mentioned here. Suppose if we want to find all these measures for this data, how do I find it? Very simple. So under list 1, you type these values. So 8 and then 9 3 times. So 8, enter, 9 3 times, followed by 12, 13, 14, 14. So 12, 13, 14, 14. 15 twice and then 16, 17, 15 twice and then 16 and 17. Okay, then you have 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. So 25, 26, 27 and 28. So you can see there are 20 values here. Okay, so now you have to press this calc F2. Okay, it will ask you whether it is one variable or two variable. No, it is obviously one variable. Now before that, you need to make sure that this F6 set option is the details given are correct. So what I'll do is I'll press F6. You can see that one variable X list is in list 1. Okay, what it means is in list 1 you have entered the variable, the values of the variable. Okay, now one variable frequency is 1, which means that like all these numbers, for example here I've pressed 8 one time and then 9 3 times, so the frequency is 1 each. Okay, that is correct. In case if you enter the frequencies in list 2, then you have to change it, but I'll explain it later. So this information is correct. Okay, so exit and then press one variable. You can see X bar. This is the mean. Mean is 17.2. Sigma X, the sum of all the 20 values is 344. And sum of the squares of the values is 6722. We won't use this. Now this one, X sigma n, this is the standard deviation, students. Okay, 6.35. Then you have n is 20. So let me go down. You can see minimum value is 8, and Q1 lower quartile is 12.5. The median, which is nothing but Q2, is 15.5, and the Q3, the upper quartile, is 23. And in case if they ask you to find interquartile range, which is Q3 minus Q1, so 23 minus 12.5. The maximum value is 28, and then the mode is 9. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so these are the values. These are the solutions. Fine, so it's done. So let us delete this now. Exit. Delete all. F1. Yeah. Now let us look at another problem. Find the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, Q1 and Q3 for the following data. Now you can see that it is of different type. It's not raw data. It's a group data with frequencies. So you can see X and F. So let me find the solution, answer for this problem. So the X values are 10, 14, 16, 20 and 22. So let me enter 10, 14, 16, 20 and 22. Done. Let me enter the frequencies now. The frequencies are 3, 5, 10, 6, 4. So 3, 5, 10, 6, 4. Done. Okay, so let me calculate. So F3. Again, it is only one variable. Okay, not two variables. Now, if you press one variable, these answers are incorrect, student. These answers will be wrong. The reason is, let me explain it to you. Exit. When you press this F6, you can see that the one variable frequency is given as 1, which is not true, isn't it? The frequency, in fact, let me show it to you. Exit. You have typed the frequencies in list 2, right? So what you need to do is go down, one variable frequency, it is in list 2. So list is above F2, so press F2 and then type 2. So the variables are in list 1 and the frequencies are in list 2. So now this is correct. So press one variable, you get this answer. Just a minute, please. Yeah. So one variable, so you get this answer, right? Good. So let me exit. So let me delete everything. Let me delete this as well. Okay. So let us look at this problem now. From the following data of hours worked in a factory and output units, determine the regression line of y on x and the linear correlation coefficient. So what you need to do is, in list 1 I'm going to enter these values. So list 1 you're going to enter 80, 79, and then you have 83 and 84. So 83 and 84. You have 78, 60, 82, 78, 60, 82, 85, 79 and 84. Done. Okay, now the y values. So 300, 302, 300, 302, 315, 330, 300, 250, 300, 340, and the last two values are 315 and 330. Fine. So now let me calculate. Okay, now there are two variable students. One is the number of hours, and the second one is the production, which is y. There are two variables. So you have to enter this F2, press this F2. Now before that, let me again go to this set F6. Two variable x list is in list 1 and the two variable y list is in list 2. Yeah, that is correct. So exit, two variable. Okay, I'm sorry, just a minute please. So you need to find, what is it? Yeah, you need to find the regression line of y on x and the linear correlation coefficient. Oh, in that case, you need to enter this F3. So press F3. So when you actually enter the two variable, it will give you the mean of x, standard deviation of x, let me go down, and also the mean of y and standard deviation of y and everything, okay? But I want this one, the regression line of y on x and the linear correlation coefficient. So press this button, this key, sorry, F3, and then press this X. It will give you. So this R that you see here, 0.92608865, that is the linear correlation coefficient. And the next one is regression line of y on x. So this one, y equal to ax plus b. That is value of a. The slope is 3.2116850, and the y-intercept, which is b, which is 53.1922099. So the equation is y equal to 3.21x plus 53.2. Yeah, that's it. So exit. So let me delete everything. Yeah, that's it, students. So I hope this is clear. So I've explained this run mode, stat mode, graph mode, as well as equation mode. Yeah. So now this is the third video. Now from the fourth video onwards, I'm going to solve those 51 IB questions using this calculator. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video, students.